Let's explore two ways to creating vertical inline bar chart like this and compare the pros and cons of using it. Let's start off with REPT function here. First, you're going to have to say equal REPT, and you're going to put double quote G double quote, and the second argument would be the value itself, the number in B2, and close parenthesis. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the same formula right across the column all the way to December like this, and it should look something like this. Next, after you select like this, you're gonna go to home font. You're gonna change this to webding like this. Now you can see it sort of look like a bar, but they are actually horizontal at this point. So the way to rotate it will be to go alignment. In here, you're gonna click on this guy here and click on rotate text up, and now you'll look like a vertical in cell bar chart. Next, we're gonna look at sparkline. You're gonna select the cell like this here, then you go insert, and you're gonna look for a sparkline here like this here, and click on columns, and over here on this data range you're gonna select the actual data from January to December for the sales volume. And once that's done, click OK, and the chart would look something like this. Once you select the chart, your sparkline tab should be selected like this here. Go to axis, and in here on the vertical axis minimum value option, you're gonna select same for all sparklines. Likewise, you go again on axis again, and vertical axis maximum value option, you're going to do the same thing, same for all sparkline. Those are the two ways of creating in-cell vertical bar chart. Now let's compare the two in-cell charts. In a nutshell, REPT does not handle negative and large number very well. Let me show you what I mean by that. If I change this to say -10, you can see it goes crazy here. I'll do -2 here. And also likewise, if you change this number to a really big number like 30, you can see it goes off the chart. But if you look at sparkline, it handles negative numbers very well and also large numbers very well. But with that being said, why and when would you use REPT chart? It is handy when you have to build a star rating charts and marry them together with conditional formatting.